In this video, we'll be showing you how to lock your screen while watching videos on YouTube on Android. The first thing you're going to do is to go to your settings, and here in settings, you're going to look for security. We're going to scroll down because we want more security and privacy. So we're going to click on it. So we're going to scroll down because we're looking for app pinning or pinning. So here we have app pinning. We're going to click on it, and we can see currently that we're not using app pinning, so we're going to toggle it on. Of course, it gives you some information here about it, so we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to go to YouTube. So currently we're on YouTube, and say we want to watch it while our screen is locked, we're going to swipe it up, and then we're going to hold on the icon of YouTube, and there we have pin. Now when we click on pin, no matter what happens, YouTube will still be on while we're using our device. So now we've pinned it, and we can play the video. And you can see that we're currently watching this. I just paused it so we can hear ourselves. And if I swipe up, nothing is happening, and that's because the screen is locked and we're watching YouTube. And if you'd like to exit this, all you need to do is to swipe up and hold, and there we have our locked screen, and we're going to toggle it on. And now we're back on YouTube. Of course, we can switch apps now because we've just unlocked our phone once again. So this is how to watch videos on YouTube with your screen locked on Android.